Why version documentation with your code?
When documentation and code in sync prevents confusion and errors. When documentation changes alongside code, users and developers always access instructions relevant to their code version. This approach is essential for onboarding, bug fixing, and upgrading, as mismatches can lead to wasted time and misunderstandings. Versioning documentation together with code ensures everyone is referencing accurate, up-to-date information.
Choosing the right tools for versioning.
Select a version control system that supports both code and documentation. Git is the most popular choice, allowing you to track changes in code and documentation files together. Tools like GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket make it easy to branch, tag, and merge updates in both areas, simplifying collaboration and release management.
Organizing documentation in your repository.
Place documentation files directly within your code repository. Use folders like docs or documentation at the root. Store README files and user guides with each version of your code. Structure helps contributors know where to look and ensures that any changes to code can have matching documentation updates in the same commit.
Branching and tagging strategies.
Mirror your code's branching and tagging strategies for documentation. When you create a new branch or release tag for code, do the same for your documentation. This way, historic versions remain accessible, and any bug fix or feature branch includes relevant documentation. Always update docs as part of the pull request process.
Automating documentation deployment.
Use automation tools to publish the correct documentation version. Services like Read the Docs or GitHub Pages integrate with your repository and can publish documentation for every release or branch. Automated deployment ensures that users can access docs matching their code version, improving accuracy and support.
Review and maintenance best practices.
Treat documentation updates as a required part of code changes. Make code reviews include documentation checks. Encourage contributors to document new features and changes. Regularly audit older documentation to deprecate or update outdated sections. Good habits maintain synchronization over the long term.